Okay. Alrighty. Time for adventure number 2.
Part 2A.
Part 2A. Oh, so there's gonna be more. Ooh, there's gonna be more.
We are on the Polaris, the mini Jeep, and we're about to show y'all some of our adventures. Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Oh, she cranks it up. Ow.
We're such badasses.
We're such badasses.
This is not us, the weird thing.
Yeah.
We're in here.
And we're not in these awful jackets either.
No, we would never wear Carhartt jackets.
Ever. Ever.
Let's go, Laura.
Let's go, Blair. Slowly, but surely, up the hill, and up the hill. Ah! Oh my God. And up the hill. Woo! Woo! Ah! Into a tree. Woo! I wasn't kidding. But my legs don't have it, and I'm not wearing a helmet. Me either. That's why I am on this one. I don't want to go this way. She says, I don't want to go this way. And that's us about to run a tree. This is Blair in reverse. Say hi, Blair. Hi.
Or reverse action, you know.
She's trying.
The gears sometimes don't like to change for it. Yeah, fuck that.
Oh, and we're stuck.
No, we're not. We're going into high gear.
Okay, there she goes.